Today we're going to create design number 3. If you don't have our DIY fashion design kit yet, you can purchase it on Etsy shop. I will keep the link in the description of this video. I'm going to make design number 3, and I have pre-cut my top and my full circle skirt. I have chosen the stretchy orangey red color for my main skirt, and I also pre-cut the same circle skirt from the tulle material. As you see, this skirt is asymmetrical, so it's longer on the back and shorter in front. I'm placing them both together, so the orange red color will be on the top, and my tulle I will keep underneath. I plan to decorate my underskirt with black lace along the edge, and I'm considering adding some black bows around my skirt as well. Step 1. So let's pin or clip together both layers of our skirt along the waist area, the small circle as you see on the video. You can find both pins and clips in your box. I'm using the clips this time. So I'm clipping the two layers to secure them in the same position so my tulle fabric doesn't move when I start sewing it. I'm going to sew my waistline along here with the seam allowance of 0.7 to 0.8 centimeters, and as you see, I have just did that. Next, make your skirt flat on the table, straighten it up, place your top over the top side of your skirt and pin those two layers together. You can also clip it, it's up to you. Keep pinning those layers together to make sure everything is nice and secure, because your waistline on your skirt it's rounded shape and the top it's quite straight, so you have to make sure everything nicely secured together. So I'm ready to sew those three layers together. I have sewn the top and the bottom of my dress together. Next, I will clip the threads, and I need to sew my shoulders and the back side of my dress. So I'm placing the right side of my front shoulders and the right side of the back shoulder together, and I start pinning them. And I also will need to clip or pin the back side of my dress. I need to make sure that the back seam of my dress along the waistline is on the same level. So I start from this point, and I will sew my back later. So first I need to pin together. So I starting from the top, going slowly all the way down. So lining up those waistline perfectly, because I want to make sure that it looks nice and neat. So the bottom layers, the two, and then my first layer of my main material, and then I put over the second layer of my main material, and finishing up with the top layer of my tulle. So 4 layers I'm gonna pin or clip together and sew all those layers together. Actually, I almost forgotten about my lace, so let's sew the lace to our red tulle first. So you need to open up, I will not unclip or unpin because it's enough space for me to sew actually. So first place your black lace over the red tulle like that. This time I will not pin it, I will just sew straight away. But if you find it hard to do it like that, so you have to pin it first. So I have sewn my lace, and I have sewn the back side of my dress, the back seam, with 1 centimeter seam allowance. And as you see, I have sewn the lace along the edge. Also, I have sewn my shoulders, also with you can do 0.8 or 1 centimeter seam allowance. So turn inside out your dress. Hooray, my dress is almost ready. It's time to try my dress on the mannequin. Let's see what it looks like. And let me cut actually this little corner on the bottom of my dress to make it nice and neat. This to give a polished look to my dress. And guys, if you do not like to add the tulle, you can actually do this dress just with 1 top layer. That's totally fine, and it's your design. You can make the way you would like. And also lace, if you don't want to add the lace, you don't have to. This is just an idea for you how to make your designs. Last step is to decorate my dress. I'm thinking of placing this black flower over my waistline, or maybe at the bottom of my dress. Actually, it's quite cute little black bows. Maybe I place them alone or maybe on the shoulders. So you can create your own design however you like, and feel free to comment and upload your photos as well in the comments. I'm pinning my flower to the shoulder of my dress, and next I'm going to thread my hand needle with a black thread and sew the little bows to the bottom of the skirt. And my flower I will hand sew to the shoulder of my dress. This to make everything in place and secure. Please don't sew over the mannequin, so you can take off your dress and sew. You can do like me, you can put your finger underneath and secure your decoration if you need to. My dress is almost ready. I will be happy to see your design, guys. Looking forward for your creations and designs. And ta-da, here is my dress.